I spent $34 on a 3D printing tool from AliExpress, and today we're going to find out if it actually works, or if I just paid for a slightly overpriced paperweight. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Inside the package, we get the tool itself and a few accessories. The build quality feels okay. Not premium, but not total garbage either. Kind of exactly what you expect for the price. It actually looks better than I expected. Nothing feels super flimsy and all the parts fit together well. So far so good. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable, so you can power it up easily with any modern charger. The tool also comes with these snap-out sandpaper sheets. They're pre-cut with a grid of perforations, so you can quickly tear off a perfectly sized piece without scissors. The material feels sturdy and flexible, and the sheets fit the sander's pad just right, making it easy to swap them out during detailed finishing work. The kit also includes a set of different sanding tips, each designed for a specific type of detail work. Here's a quick sound test. The tool actually isn't loud at all, even at higher settings. It has 3 different speed levels, so you can choose exactly how much power you need without making a lot of noise. It's a bit hard to show exactly how loud it is on camera, but in person it's really not loud at all. Now let's give this tool a test. First, I snapped out a sandpaper square from the sheet to get it ready for sanding. This was a really easy process and simple to attach. The sanding tips just snap onto the end of the tool like this. No need to screw it in place, just a simple press fit. First, I'm testing this on an Iron Man helmet piece I'm working on, just to remove any leftover support scarring. It seems to do the trick, kinda hard to see on this blue filament, but it worked out pretty nice. Let's test this on the front plate of the Iron Man helmet. It's a lot easier to see the material getting sanded. It honestly worked really well on the bad print scarring and those weird artifacts you sometimes get on prints like this. After running a couple of tests, the results are pretty good. Not perfect, but for beginner level or occasional use, it's actually surprisingly useful. I've seen more expensive tools do worse. If you're a hobbyist or you just want a cheap tool that actually works, this one might be a solid little upgrade to your setup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 3D printing content, and let me know in the comments what other AliExpress gadgets you want me to test next. Catch you in the next one.